So students, we are lastly going to learn in this chapter another important salt that is called as what? Plaster of Paris. It is the expanded form of POP. What is the expanded form of POP? P means plaster, O means of, and P means again P means Paris. So it is the expanded form of Paris. So somebody you are having doubt in your mind, sir, why it is having the Paris in its name? So what is the relation of the Paris and plaster of Paris? So you have guessed correctly. If you have guessed like that, you have guessed correctly. Because it was it was prepared. It was prepared first time from a rock of, it is a place in Paris known as Montmartre. In Paris or in France, there is a place near to Paris known as Montmartre. In that place where they are having a special type of rock. So that rock has the capacity with what? When combines with water, it has the capacity to what? Get solidification. Hence the name comes from what? This plaster of Paris is going to be first time prepared by a rock of the Montmartre area or provenance. We are going to call as area or provenance in France, near Paris, near Paris. Okay. So plaster of Paris. So what is its chemical formula? The chemical formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 calcium sulfate dot half H2O. It is also called as what? Hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So its chemical formula. Chemical name I am going to write. Chemical name. What is the chemical name of plaster of Paris? Chemical name. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is nothing but calcium sulfate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Hemihydrate. Hydrate means water molecule. Okay. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate is the chemical name of what? Plaster of Paris. Now we are going to see about the preparation. How plaster of Paris is going to be prepared. So I have told a rock which is going to be found in the province of France or area of France known as Montéméry, which is present near the Paris. Okay. See, this rock is going to be containing a mineral known as gypsum. Remember students, gypsum. Okay. Gypsum is a mineral. It is also used. This gypsum in India also we are going to have lots of amount of what mineral known as gypsum. This gypsum is usually used in the manufacture of cement. Manufacture of cement. So this gypsum has the capacity to, or it has the tendency when combined with water, it is going to be form a solid matter. Okay. Hence it is used in the manufacture of cement. So haven't you seen student, when we add water to cement, within a period of time it is going to be solidified. Okay. So this gypsum is having the chemical formula CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Remember. So what is the difference between CaSO4 and CaSO4 half H2O? There is 1.5 molecules of water. The difference is nothing but 1.5 molecules of water. So 1.5 molecules of water are more in what? Gypsum, and 1.5 less molecules are present in what? Plaster of Paris. So the chemical formula of plaster of Paris is gypsum. Sorry, the chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate, calcium sulfate dihydrate. Di means two. Dihydrate. So it is the chemical name of what? Gypsum. So remember students, both are important, not only plaster of Paris, because gypsum is the raw material. It is the raw material used in the preparation of what? Plaster of Paris. So hence we have to have the knowledge about what? This gypsum also. Gypsum is a mineral which is going to be used in the manufacture of cement. due to its property when it's combined with the water, it is going to be solidified or it going to be get converted into solid. So the chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O and its chemical name is nothing but calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, this is all about what gypsum leaven, which is going to be used in the what manufacture of or preparation of plaster of Paris as a raw material. So I'm going to write now preparation. So okay, now all of you got about this rough information or information about plaster of Paris. Students, have you got the idea? From which raw material plaster of Paris is prepared? Plaster of Paris is prepared from
Yes, sir.
gypsum. Gypsum is a mineral of calcium. Remember, mineral of calcium. It is going to be found in the earth crust. So, its chemical formula is CaSO4.H2 and its chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Remember, students, I am going to telling all the things about gypsum thing. So, now I am going to tell about the preparation. Preparation is very simple. When when gypsum is subjected to heat at 340 sorry 373 Kelvin 373 Kelvin, then it loses 1.5 molecules of water and gets converted into what? plaster of Plaster of Paris. Okay, now we have to write the equation. First, we have to take gypsum. What is the formula of gypsum? CaSO4.2H2O. When this gypsum is subjected to heat, at what temperature? Temperature is also important. 373 Kelvin. Okay, at that temperature, it loses water. CaSO4 dot 1 by 2 H2O plus what is going to be liberated? How many molecules of water are liberated? 3 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. Okay. So this is a mixed fraction. Okay. So 3 by 2. We are going to write 3 by 2. 3 by 2 molecules of water is going to be liberated and gives gypsum salt. Sorry, plaster of Paris. This is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. So this is gypsum. Okay, so this is the about what preparation. So then important property. Okay, so important properties when plaster of Paris combines with water, it is going to be solidified. Okay, this is one of solidified, FIED. Okay, this is one of the important property of what plaster of Paris. So okay, so this is about what property of plaster of Paris. Next, we are going to see about applications or uses. Applications or uses of POP. POP. So, students, can anybody have fracture of bones of hands and legs in this class? No one. No one is having any fracture of bones and bones of legs and hands. Okay. So have you seen the persons who are having fracture of bones and bones of legs and hands? You have seen so many people. So they are having a what plaster around their hand or around their bones where the bone is going to be fractured. So for that fracturing, what they are going to be using in the hospital, they are going to be using POP. They are going to be using POP because when POP is plastered around the bones, it has the capacity to hold tightly the bones to their normal position, because when we fall, our bones are going to be fractured or they are going to be displaced. So those displaced bones are again going to be what, rejoined, or they are going to be placed at a right place, and we are going to get relief from what, pain. Or if the bones are going to be fractured, they are going to be plastered with POP. Those fractured bones are going to be joined not only with plaster of Paris, it is going to be plastered on outside the bones. But inside, when the fractured bones are going to be tightly held together, the cells are going to be developed by proteins and all other medicines. Those are given by the doctor. So it is the first application. First application is, it is used. It is used for covering the, or it is used as surgical bandages, or it is used as surgical bandages for setting, setting or displaced bone fractures, bone fractures. Okay. Then second one, it is used in the preparation of, it is used in the preparation of decoration of houses, shops, cinema halls, cinema halls, as POP, plaster of Paris. Then third, it is used, I'm going to explain. So it is used in the preparation of decoration of houses. So in some houses they are going to be making what, POP with different designs, what attractive designs. So some shops are also having attractive designs of what, POP. Cinema halls or in other places, those are going to be used for what, festivals or making some functions. So they are going to be using what, POP as a decorative material. So it is next another important use of application of POP is, it is used in the preparation of some idols. Idols means murtigal, okay, statues. Like now within a week we are going to have what, Ganesh festival. Okay, those Ganesh festivals, in those Ganesh festivals, the statues of Ganesh or idols of Ganesh are going to be prepared by what, plaster of Paris. Haven't you gone? Yeah, have you gone for the area where they are going to be preparing what, the idols of our statues of Ganesh? Have you gone there? Yes, sir. Where they are going to be using a white powder. So they are going to be using a white powder. That white powder is nothing but what, POP. Okay. It is also used for making molds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
used
sir.
for making molds or casts for toys. Okay. What are molds or casts? These are the instruments or utensils used for making toys. So supposing that you want to make a toy of what? That peacock. Okay, so they are having two hollow structures like that of peacock. So in that they are going to fill the what POP, and after drying they are going to remove the outer layer. Outer layer is nothing but which is made up of what? POP, and we are going to get two parts which are going to supposing that. So we are having a, this is a ball. Okay, so this ball is first prepared with a mold. So they are having two holes. So this is one mold and this is another mold. So they are going to prepare, if they are going to prepare molds. So these molds are nothing but this, in these molds they are going to add either metals or cement or anything substances. So first these molds are going to be prepared by what? Plaster of Paris. Okay. Then it is made for use for fireproofing materials. It is used in the, it is used as a fireproof material. Fireproof material. Okay. So these are some applications of what? Plaster of Paris. So this completes the chapter as well as the plaster of Paris. Okay.